Guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create natural sounding voices on 11 Labs. So if you are new to 11 Labs, 11 Labs is an AI platform that creates special AI voices for you. So if you are looking for a voice that will sound very natural and not AI or robotic, what you have to do is to go to the 11 Labs website and click on the voices section. Now find your way to the library part, which has the largest this is where all the voices are. So what you have to do at this point is to go to the search bar and impute the detail or impute natural. So once you click on the natural, once you search for a natural, you have all the voices that sound very natural pop up, and you can see that they are all under the conversational um, part of the option. So you can also just go directly to the conversational and also choose the natural, and then we can scroll and choose a voice that is very similar to what we want. You can also sample each of them by clicking on the play button, and they would give us a.
Hi, this is the sound of my unique.
So these voices are really good, and
I was just thinking about.
you can sample them for yourself. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment and subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.